Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home improvement and plumbing solutions. Today, we're diving into one of the best Pfister shower handles, the Pfister Pfirst modern valve trim only. If you're looking for a stylish, functional, and affordable upgrade to your bathroom, this product might just be what you need. This valve trim is designed with modern aesthetics in mind. The sleek, brushed nickel finish gives your shower a clean, contemporary look that will complement any bathroom decor. The single-handle design allows for effortless control over water temperature and flow, making it easy to adjust with just one hand. Now, while this is a valve trim kit, it's important to note that the valve body is sold separately. It's designed to be used with the Pfister 0x8 series pressure balancing valve, specifically the 0x8-310A or 0x8 to 340A models. If you already have a compatible valve body, the installation is straightforward, but if you're starting fresh, make sure to grab the matching valve for a seamless setup. One of the standout features of this valve trim is its ease of maintenance. Keeping it clean is as simple as wiping it down with a damp cloth. Pfister recommends avoiding harsh chemicals, abrasive cleaners, or any acidic substances, ensuring that the finish stays looking great for years to come. The quick installation guide and all necessary components, like the handle, extension screw, and wall flange, are included in the package, so you'll have everything you need to get it set up. Plus, this product is backed by Pfister's trusted reputation in the plumbing industry, which has been around since 1910. Whether you're renovating your bathroom or just replacing old, worn-out fixtures, the Pfister Pfirst modern valve trim is a solid choice. Its modern style, ease of use, and simple maintenance make it an excellent addition to any home. Be sure to check it out on Amazon, and as always, thanks for tuning into Product Critique.